questions about?
I think it was cool that he improved on his rank also during quarantine because, yeah.
Could you scroll up? That they had the guests wondering how 100 people would die. Like, why 100?
So you have some fans already, is what I'm trying to say.
I always assumed I got to my looks from my dad. My dark brown hair and brown eyes were so different from my mom's. She has bright blonde hair and clear blue eyes.
The ending was really good. I liked it.
Recently, the New York Times posted an article called How Pandemics End by Gina Colada. This article talks about how and when the COVID-19 pandemic will end.
Good. Let's stop there. Unless it was only online, it's more appropriate to say public. This talks about, it sounds a little informal, it also really sounds more the way we communicate verbally.
Hannah Meach's No One Knows What Thailand is Doing Right, but So Far It's Working, published by the New York Times, displays.
Anji, very good.
I liked how she talked about other countries.
Overall, yeah, right? Very good job there.
Anji's done a lot of research.
Very good job. I think you're a better writer now. So, and I hope you're proud of yourself because you really have worked hard at it. Much more detailed, much more particular. Good.